Hi, my name's Andrew Whitaker. I'm the founder of Culture Co-working. We're very proud to be from Cork. It's a very friendly city. It's an incredibly vibrant city. Very strong business community here. The amount of help I've got from other people, from big companies and small companies, has been fantastic. And I think we're really trying to pitch the quality of life here. Culture Co-working is a hot desk facility. What we provide is almost a solution for everybody. The best description of what we try and offer here is warm and friendly, but professional.
It's all about seeing people do the same kind of work as you do, albeit in a different field, and there is a bond there anyway.
We're there to help each other, and we only really have one rule, which is just be nice.
Like, this is a big building. There's a lot of open space. It's difficult to heat, it's difficult to keep operational.
Our power is our biggest utility, so we think long term. We want to be able to build a company, but also protect the environment and make sure, like I have a daughter, I'd like to hand over the business to my daughter. The solar panels is a huge part of our long-term thinking. And working with Pinergy made it so easy for us to do it. Like from the start to finish, it was a superb process. They provided the knowledge, they provided the expertise, they provided the fit out, and it was all done incredibly well. And they've also been very nice.
I am in an environmentally conscious place with sustainability at heart. It's about looking at my kids, looking at my family, hoping that the world that they grow up in is a clean, safe environment.
Payback is ahead of schedule, so we're delighted with it. It means that we kind of plan for the future, that we know that this business is completely renewable. So if you scale that up to the bigger companies, there's massive savings potential there for people.